If you think true power only belongs to large and heavy machines, these vehicles are about to shift that perspective completely. Microcars and mini-tracked machines are quietly rising as some of the most remarkable engineering accomplishments in today's mobility world. Even with their compact size, they are strong, capable, and purpose-built to reach places where full-size vehicles simply cannot go. From highly agile personal transporters to small off-road work machines designed for snow, mud, mountains, and everything in between, these compact creations deliver surprising strength, control, and adaptability. In this countdown of the top 15 mini-tracked vehicles, you are about to discover machines that ignore size limitations, challenge traditional design ideas, and create moments that make you question how such performance is even achievable. These small yet powerful machines are certain to leave a strong and lasting impression. Number 1. DTV Raptor. The DTV Raptor is a small but aggressive machine that feels like a mini tank merged with a futuristic electric board. Built for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts, it weighs roughly 300 pounds, keeping it light enough for agility while still feeling solid and tough. It is driven by dual 20-kilowatt electric motors paired with a robust 100-amp-hour battery, delivering instant torque and smooth, responsive acceleration. Despite its compact footprint, the Raptor can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and offers nearly 2 hours of ride time on a single charge. Its continuous rubber tracks provide excellent traction on dirt trails, snowy surfaces, and uneven terrain. Steering feels natural and easy to learn, requiring the rider to lean into turns while managing speed with the throttle. This unique control style makes it exciting without being intimidating. For anyone seeking an electric adventure vehicle that combines innovation, enjoyment, and serious off-road performance, the DTV Raptor stands out as a bold and entertaining choice. Venturi Antarctica. The Venturi Antarctica marks a major leap forward in zero-emission exploration technology. This mini-tracked electric vehicle was purpose-built to survive and operate in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, including the frozen environment of Antarctica. Beneath its rugged exterior, it features two 60-kilowatt electric motors powered by a 52.6 kilowatt-hour battery pack. This configuration allows it to travel up to 50 kilometers on flat ground and around 45 kilometers in deep snow. Weighing approximately 2,500 kilograms, the Antarctica uses wide natural rubber tracks developed by Camo, providing strong grip, durability, and low ground pressure. Its insulated cabin protects occupants from extreme cold and includes joystick controls for precise maneuvering. Fold-down seating allows it to carry between 1 and 6 passengers comfortably. Designed to function reliably in temperatures as low as minus 60 degrees Celsius, it has also received upgrades, such as improved cooling systems and redesigned sprockets to reduce vibration. As the world's first fully electric tracked vehicle deployed in Antarctica, it represents an impressive combination of environmental responsibility and advanced engineering. Action Track Chair Axis 40. The Action Track Chair Axis 40 is a rugged and carefully engineered mobility solution designed to tackle demanding outdoor environments. Built for mud, sand, snow, and steep trails, this compact explorer provides confidence, independence, and accessibility to its users. It is powered by combined 3.4 horsepower permanent magnet DC motors, supplied by two 12-volt batteries that deliver a top speed of around 4 miles per hour and a range of up to 7 miles. The chair features wide Type 2 tracks along with a vibration dampening structure, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride even across rough ground. Comfort is a key focus, with padded seating cushions, flip-up footrests, adjustable armrests, and convenient USB charging ports for personal devices. With a weight capacity of roughly 300 pounds and a reinforced zinc-coated frame, the Axis 40 offers an excellent balance of strength and durability. Its compact design allows it to move confidently through challenging terrain while remaining stable. Created for freedom seekers who refuse to compromise on mobility, the Action Track Chair Axis 40 opens new doors for outdoor exploration. Kettenkrad HK101. The Kettenkrad HK101 remains a captivating piece of historic engineering that continues to draw interest even today. First created during World War II, this half-track motorcycle looks like it belongs on a futuristic battlefield from a science fiction film. Manufactured by NSU and officially known as the SDKFZ2, It weighs close to 1,235 kilograms and is powered by a dependable 1.478-liter Opel water-cooled four-cylinder engine generating around 36 horsepower. Its drivetrain combines a 3-speed transmission with a 2-range off-road gearbox, enabling it to achieve road speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. What truly makes the Kettenkrad unique is its hybrid steering design. Light turns are managed by the front wheel, while sharper turns activate braking on the tracks, allowing impressive control in confined areas. With space for a driver and 2 rear-facing passengers, along with the ability to tow equipment, it proved to be a highly practical workhorse in harsh terrain. Its compact size even allowed it to be transported inside aircraft, highlighting its exceptional versatility. DTV Trail Rider. The DTV Trail Rider offers a thrilling riding experience packed into a remarkably compact form. With a weight of around 250 pounds, this mini-tracked electric vehicle is designed for riders who want strong performance without sacrificing efficiency. It is equipped with dual 20-kilowatt electric motors supported by a robust 100 amp-hour battery, delivering smooth, reliable power and impressive torque. The Trail Rider can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour while still offering an extended runtime of nearly 4 hours, making it well-suited for longer off-road journeys. Measuring approximately 43 inches by 27 inches by 35 inches, its low-profile design improves balance and handling. Continuous rubber tracks provide excellent traction across dirt, sand, snow, and uneven ground. Steering is controlled through body movement, creating an intuitive and engaging experience similar to riding a skateboard, but with significantly more strength. The DTV Trail Rider stands out as an eco-friendly machine that delivers excitement without compromising capability, making it a flexible option for outdoor adventure lovers. EcoRover Tracked Wheelchair. The EcoRover Tracked Wheelchair is a powerful all-terrain mobility solution created to offer freedom and independence across demanding environments. Powered by dual 2-horsepower motors and equipped with turf-safe Kevlar-belted comfort tracks, it moves smoothly over sand, mud, snow, grass, and can even climb slopes of up to 20 degrees. Its narrow width of just 29.5 inches allows it to fit easily through standard doorways, making it practical for both indoor and outdoor use. The joystick control system is highly responsive and stops instantly when released, ensuring safe and intuitive handling. Comfort is further enhanced by a powered tilt seat and a contoured reclining high-back design. Useful features such as LED lights, USB charging ports, cup holders, and an onboard charger improve everyday convenience. Users can choose a high-capacity LiFePO4 battery with up to 15 miles of range or a standard battery offering around 7 miles, depending on terrain. Weighing about 350 pounds with a 275-pound capacity, the EcoRover feels tough yet easy to use. DTV Shredder 200E. The DTV Shredder 200E is an electric all-terrain machine that blends skateboard-style excitement with tank-like durability. It is powered by dual 20-kilowatt electric motors paired with a 100 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 2 hours of continuous riding time. With an overall weight of around 250 pounds and compact dimensions of approximately 43 inches by 27 inches, it remains surprisingly portable for such a capable vehicle. Continuous rubber tracks, combined with a rear-drive double-articulated suspension system, provide smooth and stable handling across snow, mud, and sand. The Shredder 200E can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and includes app-controlled terrain modes that allow riders to adjust performance based on surface conditions. A built-in reverse function adds extra practicality, especially in tight spaces. Designed for adventure lovers seeking eco-friendly performance without sacrificing power, the DTV Shredder 200E delivers a thrilling yet controlled riding experience. LightTrax 1000 P2. The LightTrax 1000 P2 is a sleek and capable 2-seat snowcat built to handle rugged winter terrain while remaining highly maneuverable. It is powered by a 40-horsepower Kohler 4-cycle engine paired with a hydrostatic 2-speed transmission, delivering strong torque with smooth and controlled output. The enclosed cabin, measuring about 50 inches wide, offers comfort and protection from harsh weather and includes a heater, defroster, and joystick-style controls. Designed for both work and recreation, the LightTrax 1000 P2 can carry payloads of up to 1,350 pounds and tow up to 2,000 pounds. Its 20-inch tracks and low center of gravity allow it to glide confidently over snow, while zero-radius turning capability enables precise maneuvering in tight areas. Whether used for utility tasks or winter adventures, this compact snowcat provides an excellent balance of power, comfort, and agility. 2025 SD-Lanch SDLD25. The 2025 SDLD25 is a rugged and practical mini dumper built for demanding work in confined environments. It is powered by either an RTO or Briggs & Stratton engine, producing approximately 9.7 kilowatts, paired with a Gully-type 3+1 transmission for smooth and controlled operation. Heavy-duty rubber tracks sized 230x72x46 deliver excellent traction across uneven and challenging surfaces. The pallet-style carrier supports loads of up to 1,500 kilograms, giving it impressive capability despite its compact size. With a top speed of 15 kilometers per hour and a tight 1,900 millimeter turning radius, it performs exceptionally well in narrow workspaces. An electric start system adds convenience, while the tipping bucket simplifies the transport of heavy materials. Thanks to its compact dimensions, it operates efficiently in restricted areas, making it a durable, efficient, and quiet workhorse for construction, landscaping, and small-scale hauling tasks. Kubota KC70 VHD. The Kubota KC70 VHD is a small yet highly capable mini dumper built specifically for tight job sites where reliability and precision are critical. It is powered by a 9.4 PS Kubota diesel engine that delivers strong and consistent torque while remaining fuel efficient. One of its key highlights is the high dump skip system, which can raise materials to a height of 1.43 meters with a 447 millimeter forward reach, allowing accurate and controlled unloading. The adjustable tracked undercarriage adds versatility, as it can be narrowed down to just 758 millimeters for restricted access areas or widened to 1,058 millimeters to provide maximum stability during operation. A built-in tilt angle sensor improves safety by warning the operator when working on slopes that are too steep. Despite its compact size, the KC70 VHD can handle loads of up to 550 kilograms. Its combination of strength, safety features, and easy maneuverability makes it an excellent option for landscaping, construction work, and hauling tasks in confined spaces. Tinger Track 2. The Tinger Track 2 is a tough amphibious mini vehicle that truly deserves its reputation as a compact tank. It is powered by a 57 horsepower, 812 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled 3-cylinder engine paired with a CVT transmission, giving it the ability to tackle swamps, snow, water, and muddy terrain with confidence. Its wide 500 millimeter rubber tracks and 330 millimeter ground clearance keep ground pressure extremely low, around 0.04 kilograms per square centimeter, which allows for excellent flotation on soft surfaces. With a payload capacity of up to 500 kilograms and a towing capability of 800 kilograms, it is equally suited for work-related tasks and recreational adventures. The seating layout accommodates multiple passengers, adding to its versatility. A durable HDPE body protects it from harsh environments, while ergonomic handlebar steering provides intuitive and easy control, even off-road. Whether used for rescue operations, farming, or exploration, the Tinger Track 2 delivers impressive performance and enjoyment. Snowdog Compact. The Snowdog Compact is a smartly engineered mini machine designed for winter work as well as outdoor adventure. It is powered by a 10-horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, with certain versions offering up to 13.5 horsepower, and is paired with a smooth CVT transmission for easy operation. Despite its solid capability, it remains lightweight at around 298 pounds, making it easy to handle and transport. With an overall length of just 50 inches, it can be conveniently stored inside an SUV or pickup truck. Features such as LED lighting, disc brakes, and a durable track system allow it to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour while maintaining control. It performs confidently on ice, snow, and rough terrain. With a towing capacity of up to 330 pounds, the Snowdog Compact proves to be a reliable companion for activities like ice fishing, hunting, and hauling gear in winter conditions. Pren Raptor 100. The Pren Raptor 100 is a remotely controlled mini work vehicle that combines rugged strength with advanced precision. It is powered by a 75 horsepower Deutz TD 2.9 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine and weighs around 2 tons. yet delivers strong and dependable performance. Its hydraulically adjustable rubber tracks, which can vary from 1,200 to 1,600 millimeters in width, provide excellent stability on rough terrain while maintaining agility on narrow paths. The vehicle produces very low ground pressure, helping reduce environmental impact and making it suitable for sensitive areas. The Raptor 100 is capable of climbing slopes up to 45 degrees and lifting a mulching head to a height of 600 millimeters. All functions are controlled remotely from distances of up to 100 meters using an ergonomic controller. This makes it an extremely capable solution for forestry, land management, and terrain maintenance projects where both precision and power are required.